Hey, good morning. Welcome to the Jeep Solo Garage. So today's a little different. Today we're going to go try to find the Big Elk guard station.
Oh no, do we go off to the left? No.
So this will be a fun little adventure. First thing I got to do is run over to Jason's, pick him up. We got some supplies packed and we'll hit the road.
Rattlesnakes!
Don't drop it.
Stop! I'm a little excited to take. Ready?
Oh, you're rolling.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, you ready?
Let's do it. What are we doing?
We're going to the cabin.
Sorry for you.
All right, can I get a 16-ounce pike?
We're out of here.
Here we go. Yeah, this will be fun. I hope we can find the cabin.
Me too. Yep, getting a little snow. It snowed last night. It was really warm yesterday, and today, or last night, snow.
Made it.
Here we are. What are we looking at here?
So yeah, we can get down there.
Yeah.
So we're going up to the Big Elk guard station, and I think it's a guard station from back in the 20s. And the reason they have it in this setting that it's at, there's a big meadow there where they used to graze horses and things, because they'd bring supplies out, right, on horseback, so you need a place to keep the horses. So I think this was a great spot that they picked.
It's on the National Historic Register right now, and you can actually rent it out overnight. We've never been here before, so we thought, let's just go check it out, see what it's all about before we drop some money and stay overnight. But it'd be a cool spot to rent, you know, play all day.
Oh yeah.
Sleep.
Come out here in the snow and make a campfire.
Yeah, play the next day.
Oh no, do we go off to the left? No.
That's a good question. Let's
Yeah.
take a look at the map.
I think we go left.
Yep. Yeah, I think it's this is a little Y junction with the road that comes in from the main road that wasn't plowed. Yeah, we'll see. You brought your shovel, right?
Coming down that little berm right there, yeah, I could feel sliding. And so when we on our way out, when we're trying to get back up that, I wouldn't be surprised if we have to put our chains on.
There's an inch of snow, and underneath that it is slick, slick, slick. In fact, I even saw your, you locked it up a little bit.
Yeah, I was sliding. I could feel it.
Yeah. Oh, hey, there's a pond.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Fish Lake. That's the end of Fish Lake. Yeah, is that the dam?
So we've found tracks in the snow here. And it's pretty clear that it's a canine track of some kind. Originally we were thinking it was a dog, somebody's dog, but there's no other footprints around it, so it's an animal wandering around on its own. Maybe a wolf. We do have some wolves up here now. Wolves. Let's go.
What the heck?
You locked yourself out.
No, I didn't. a movie making magic tip. He's coming back for me. Still locked. We wouldn't want the bears breaking in, would we?
Yeah, I really think we might have to chain up to get out of that slick area.
Yeah.
It's slippery.
Yeah, it is. So we're not very far in right now, are we?
A mile maybe?
Maybe?
Yeah.
I think we're coming up on a lava flow here.
All covered in snow, that's really cool. But yeah, this is all a big lava flow. A big old volcano. Oh yeah, look at that. That's cool.
It looks soft and puffy, but it's not.
Yeah, it's the depth of field. Those willow trees.
I don't know, they look dead. I don't think they are, but they look dead. Oh hey. We're getting close to the cabin.
Yeah, I think I see the meadow out there.
Yeah. We're looking for a road going to the left here. You're going into deep snow, that's what you're doing.
Yeah. I just want to get stuck.
Well, too late for that.
Trying to park off the road in case anybody else comes by, you know? Want to get out of the way.
Yeah. Oh good, you killed it. I mean, you shut it off.
Yeah, that's my way of turning it off. So we may have a little bit of an issue. Walking along, following my tracks, that looks like fluid. There's more fluid right there.
Yeah.
What does it smell like? Jason's gonna smell it, see if it smells like gear oil.
It's like the worst snow cone you ever had.
Yeah, don't eat it.
It's not gear oil. Here. It's odorless. Essentially odorless.
So am I losing gear oil? Let's see here. Well, I don't know. I mean, I can.
As soon as you turn, it starts to leak. When you're going straight, no leak. So my bet is it's coming from the axle, but it doesn't smell like gear fluid. I mean, gear fluid stinks, but maybe it being in the snow is making it not as much.
All right, let's take a look. So shift housing looks okay. It doesn't look like axle seal up here. Yeah, everything's dry on the front axle.
Right there.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, right there. That's where you got that drip right there. Is it just crud?
Is there brake fluid?
Well,
yeah, it's just, maybe it's just rust and crud, like brake dust.
you know what else it could be?
All right, so I think we're okay. We've determined, at least at this point, our hypothesis is that when we came up here, there was a lot of gravel on the road, right? They gravel the roads because they get slick and icy. So it's all that red powder from that gravel just stuck to the undercarriage. Now when we're driving along here, just kind of dripping off. It looked like brake fluid or gear oil. I'm like, oh no, we've got a leak. Like, we got to fix it up and get out of here. But I think it's okay. You think it's okay?
I think it's okay.
We think it's okay. We're fine.
It's like, you know, for like doing a night or something like that. These were chosen based on their access to good grazing. We're actually right next to the Big Elk Meadow.
So these cabins are really cool. You can actually rent them out. It's like $75 a night or something, and it's fully furnished. I think there's a wood stove in there. It's 2-story, and originally I think it was a fire lookout, and it's right next door to this meadow for the grazing of the horses.
It's like a fire home base.
Well, yeah, it's not a fire lookout, it's a fire home base. The lookouts, where's the lookout at?
It's actually to your right. Yeah, there's one out there.
On Brown Mountain?
Yeah. Off the roof and annihilates us.
So out here's the meadow. So this is the meadow where the horses can graze. And in the fall and winter this floods, and it's actually a little lake. And in the spring it'll dry out, spring and summer. So that's Big Elk Guard Station. Pretty cool. And this is property of the United States. Just want to make sure all the other countries know that.
Got a little outhouse up here.
Is that what this is? Let's check this out. What is this thing over here? Well, yeah, I think at one point it was an outhouse. Yeah, now I think it's just a little house. Have you ever used one of those?
You mean a house with just a floor?
An outhouse?
Of course I have.
Yeah, who hasn't, right?
Yeah, this...
So that's the Big Elk Guard Station. Thank you guys so much for joining us. This was a really fun adventure. Check out my next video right up here, and we'll see you guys next week.